How to add NGL link to Instagram story with question sticker. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. So to put your NGL link on an Instagram story, first go to NGL and then go to copy link. Now the link has been copied. Now to add to your story, come back and then open up your Instagram app and then go to your story in the top left and then just choose a random photo or video or anything that you want from your gallery. I'll just create a picture myself. Go to the sticker icon and then go to link and then just long press and then paste your link. Now you can see customize sticker text, tap on it and then in the sticker text option put question mark and then hit done. And there you go. Now you have created NGL link with a question mark sticker. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.